Hi, tonight me and the boys we're gonna make a goulash all in one dish. And so I've got about a kilo of pork, a couple of large onions, some potatoes and carrots all cut up, and a goulash mix from Serbia. Alright, so how am I gonna do this? Easy. Throw everything in there and cook it. Here we go. So I'm using the 5-quart wok. I'm going to chuck all the pork in there. And all my onions, carrots, potatoes, and I'm going to mix it all up. Just mix it up here. Open this goulash mix, and that can go in all over. So this will take me about 35 minutes on the stove, and basically I'm not going to touch it once I put it onto the stove. So just mixing it all around so that it's even. We're not adding any oil to this, and we're not adding any water to this. Everything is as you see it. Alright, so get it evenly mixed up. Okay, I'll cover this and bring it over to the stove. Okay, and have a look at the flame here. I'm just going to put it on medium. So that's our medium, and I'll wait for that to click later. Just to seal the Saladmaster pot, I'm going to put a little bit of water just to seal the lid. Alright, so how I do that is I just put a bit of water here on the rim, give it a spin, and that's it. Yep. It's been about 15 minutes and the wok is starting to tap, so at this stage I'm going to turn the fire down just a little bit. To this, yeah? So it's a little bit lower, that's it. Hi, so it's 35 minutes. We'll come back and see what it's doing. Here it is. Just give it a mix. See, we haven't added any water, so all the flavor and moisture has all come from the meat and the potatoes itself, and so it's flavorful. And yummy. So this is just mixing it up a bit. That's it. That's our goulash. A meal done in 35 minutes on the stove without any extra work. Here we go. Our dinner, guys.